Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here on field number 1 for Croft in match number 101. Over on the Blue Alliance, shooting from that far launch zone, is Innovators Robotics. They are joined by their teammate, Michiana, who is launching from this near launch zone after they have emptied that ramp. On the red side, they have successfully filled their ramp as well as we are about to enter the driver-controlled period. This is a 2-point difference between the teams here. This means anyone could take the win, as it could be just one artifact determining who is in the lead as we enter the driver-operated period. Browncoats has elected to empty their ramp for the Red Alliance as they collect more artifacts and line up in this near launch zone. They are met with both teams on the Blue Alliance who are trying to do the same. This means Innovators Robotics is launching from this near launch zone as well. They are joined by their teammate Michiana. Now, up in this near launch zone, we have some defense being played by the blue team against the red as they're trying to box them out from shooting those artifacts into the ramp. Though it looks like we might also have a number loss by Innovators Robotics in a moment here, and that number is on the field. With under a minute left in match play, there is only a 14-point difference in teams. This means anyone can still take that win. Lining up for the Red Alliance in barely for launching. Red has earned a penalty for launching outside of their launch zone as they line up. That is meta module, though. They are also boxed out by their teammates, the Browncoats, as they try to line up those shots. And now it is endgame. The Blue Alliance is only scoring those artifacts as overflow, as they do not want to let any of them have to refill that ramp. That is the same thing for the Blue Alliance there, as we are in the final 3, 2, 1. That has been
And it is the Red Alliance! For match 101, 160 points for the Red Alliance. Let's get to 103. No, let's get to the pose. We now get a break.